In southwest China's Guizhou province, there are nearly 1,000 caves. Maolan National Nature Reserve is home to more than 150 of them. These caves are not as quiet as they look. An ecosystem very different from those on the surface runs here silently. According to the availability and intensity of light, the cave is divided into the photic, dysphotic, and aphotic zones. Due to the great demand for sunlight, tall trees dominate the entrance. Inside are herbaceous plants. In the dysphotic zone, grow lichens and mosses. Deep down from the entrance, the light fades, and the plants tend to be shorter. A plant community is formed in the cave. In the food chain of the cave creatures, the plants near the cave mouth are at the bottom. Various insects appear here. Compared with the vitality outside, the pitch-dark cave seems completely lifeless. However, water that has shaped the landscape brings substance and energy into the cave, providing growing conditions for microorganisms. The daddy longlegs is originally from outside the cave. Maybe because of an occasional hunting inside, they got used to the darkness and evolved long legs to detect the surroundings. This shiny silk-like curtain is weaved by the glowworms. The tiny creature is as thin as a cotton thread. They wait quietly for flies and mosquitoes to fall into the trap. Living in the dark all year round, cave animals have degenerated eyes. Yet their senses of smell and touch are enhanced. The temperature inside the cave is relatively constant. The insects don't need to regulate their body temperature by changing colors. Therefore, they become colorless or transparent. There isn't enough organic matter to eat. Cave creatures have to slow down their metabolism. Consequently, they move slowly. In a relatively closed environment with constant temperature and humidity, bats rely on sonar recognition system to live in the complete darkness, feeding on bugs. The flower snake can reach 2 meters in length, sporting colorful skin. It is a regular in the cave. It is also the top predator in here, for it can zip around in the photic, dysphotic, and aphotic zones. In the cave environment, specific energy and material exchange processes, special biotas and food chains form a unique underground ecosystem, offering a delicate space for life evolution.